More coverage now from Pasadena. That is where a woman is thankful to be alive after the National Weather Service says an EF2 tornado ripped through her home.
That's right. It happened in the Meadows Bliss neighborhood along Meadow Loop West and South Meadow Court. And that is where we find our Rochelle Turner. Rochelle, how is this woman doing today and what can you tell us about the damage?
Keith, Ms. Norma Ayala is still shaken up. Let me talk about how scary it was for her. She's 72 years old. She was sitting on that black couch when that tornado came and ripped off her roof. Take a look over here. You can still see lots of debris scattered all throughout the ground. She came to this house today looking for picture frames, anything that she could save, and she told me that she's thankful for people in the community who've already stepped in to check on her.
I started praying because I saw the news. It's a tornado.
This is what's left of Norma Ayala's home on South Meadows Drive in Pasadena. She's lived here for 38 years.
I check in the ceiling. When I see the whole ceiling's coming to me.
Norma survived. And this morning, the National Weather Service surveyed the damage and says an EF2 tornado destroyed her home.
The roof was blown up and then the front wall came down.
Jeffrey Evans says the Houston metro area hasn't seen a tornado of this magnitude since 1992.
What's uncommon about this tornado is how long it was on the ground and how large it was.
The historic storm left many people like Norma picking up what's left behind.
I'm looking somebody help me building my house again because I don't get insurance.
That's where we get a chance to help. So if you're watching this, you've seen the house, she got out of there with her life.
Several groups and churches are already stepping up to help those in need.
She served in the local school district here for 35 years, so teachers, friends, family have all been checking up on her, so we just feel very blessed to have the support of the community.
And when you just see some of this damage, it is just truly a miracle that Miss Norma was able to get out of there with just a few cuts and bruises. Now, earlier today when we spoke with her, she was looking for her dog Coco that went missing. The good news is that Coco has been found. And if you would like to help Miss Norma, I have a link posted on our website at clicktohouston.com. Reporting live from Pasadena, I'm Rochelle Turner, KPRC 2 News.
All right, great news on Coco. So glad so many are helping out Miss Norma as well. Rochelle, thank you.